Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Kindly introduce
I'm
yourself.
Juanita de la Cruz, married, 41 years old, with 2 children. A girl and a boy, 18 and 14 years old.
How many are you in the family?
We are 6 in the family. 4 in the family.
And you are?
I'm the second to the eldest, with 2 brothers and 1 sister.
Okay. Did you finish your high school?
Yes, ma'am.
How about college?
No.
Other course?
Secretarial.
Secretarial course for how many years?
2 years.
2 years. Okay. Have you worked as a domestic helper abroad before?
Yes, ma'am.
Where?
Taiwan.
Taiwan. Of what nationality?
Taiwanese.
Taiwanese. Do they have children?
Yes, ma'am.
How many?
2. A girl and a boy, 7 and 5 years old.
Okay, and how about an elderly?
Yes, ma'am. 1.
One of what age?
60 years old.
Bedridden or healthy?
Healthy.
Healthy. Female or male?
Female.
Female. Okay, and for how many years? Your contract is for
3 years, ma'am.
3 years. Did you finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And how about in the Philippines? Did you work also in the Philippines?
Yes, ma'am. In Taguig, Manila.
Of what nationality?
Filipino.
Filipino also. Did you take care of children also?
Yes, ma'am.
How many children?
3.
So you know how to take care of the children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you tell me how?
Give them food, assist them to school, help them for them home studies, and help them for bathing.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know how to cook Chinese dishes?
Yes.
Like what?
Vegetable, meats, and fish.
Fish, like steamed fish.
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
And how about steamed rice?
Yes.
Okay. Can you do marketing also?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong? Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
For my children's education.
And so if you are going to work in Hong Kong, are you willing to finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and how can you control your homesick?
I keep myself busy in my work.
Okay, anyway, you have day off, right?
Yeah.
So you can call them if it's your day off.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to accept the day off set by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Even it's on weekdays?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you sing me a nursery rhyme?
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady.
Okay. And what if somebody will go to the house of your employer and your employer is not around? What is the first thing you can do?
I call first my employer and ask them who's around, who's knocking on the door.
Who's that person?
Yes.
Yes, and then if
then,
they will tell you not to open the door, are you going to follow that instruction?
No.
You will not open the door.
I will not open the door and let them in.
So if they will not tell you not to let them in, you will not let them in.
Yes.
Okay. And can you give me a short message for your future employer?
Sir, ma'am, I hope you will grant my application, and I promise I'll do my best and follow the instruction.
You will obey the rules and regulations
Yes,
inside the house.
The rules and regulations inside the house.
Okay, if they will ask you for another year extension, are you willing to extend your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and do you know how to operate machines?
Yes, ma'am.
Like what?
Washing machine, vacuum cleaner, oven toaster.
How about microwave oven?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And what time do you usually wake up in the morning?
5 o'clock in the
5
morning,
o'clock
ma'am.
in the morning. So at least by that time you can do a lot of things before your employers will wake up, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I think that will be all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.